This is Vipa Podcast. Thank you for joining in our morning daily devotion.
Proverbs chapter 3 verses 21 to 26. My son, do not let wisdom and understanding out of your sight. Preserve sound judgment and discretion. They will be life for you, an ornament to grace your neck. Then you will go on your way in safety, and your foot will not stumble. When you lie down, you will not be afraid. When you lie down, your sleep will be sweet. Have no fear of sudden disaster or of the ruin that overtakes the wicked, for the Lord will be at your side and will keep your foot from being snared. The father tells his son to preserve sound judgment and discernment. Wise behavior secures the steps, and there is confidence in what we do. There are all kinds of temptations that come across our way to tempt us to let wisdom and discernment go, but do not let that happen. Guard wisdom that has been given to you. Let wisdom be an adorning ornament. Folly will lead you down the wrong path, but with wisdom there is life. When we obey God's commands and continuously do His will, there is safety and security. Wise behavior will lead to a victorious living. When you lie down, you will not be afraid. Even when there are troubles of many kinds, our assurance is that God is with us. We will face life knowing God is in control. Verse 24 says, when you lie down, you will not be afraid. When you lie down, your sleep will be sweet. Your sleep will be sweet. In the midst of storms in life, our sleep can be sweet when our trust is in God alone and knowing that He cares for us. Psalm chapter 3 verse 5 says, I lie down and sleep. I wake again because the Lord sustains me. Psalm chapter 4 verse 8 says, in peace I will lie down and sleep, for you alone, Lord, make me dwell in safety. When we have wisdom and Christ in us, we need not fear for sudden disaster or the ruin that overtakes the wicked. Let our confidence be in the Lord our God. He will protect us and keep us from every snare and getting caught in the web of evil. God is on our side, on the side of the wise. We must wear it well. As we have been looking at Proverbs chapter 3, let us list the benefits of wisdom, wisdom that is of God and from God. Life and prosperity, favor and good name, directed path and guidance, good health, nourishment and refreshment, plenty or abundance, loving discipline, blessings, joy and happiness, long life, riches and honor, pleasant ways and peaceful paths, sustenance and fruitfulness, life and adornment, safety and guidance, free from fear and sweet sleep, no fear of disaster or ruin, confidence in God and protection from traps and snares, wisdom to do what is right. God takes the upright into confidence, blessings on your household and God's grace upon us to inherit honor. The benefit is ours when we listen to God's instructions and not forsake them, to keep the commands in our hearts, to seek and guard wisdom. Then we will receive the benefits and the blessings God has in store for our lives. May the Lord help us to not just listen to God's word, but to live in accordance to it, so that we may experience the blessings of God in our life. God bless you.
For more details, please contact 916364252164 or email us to info@fibaonline.org.